Plumbing is an essential part of our daily lives, providing us with clean water and proper sanitation. That's why it is crucial to regularly check for leaks and tighten any loose faucets and toilets. By addressing these issues promptly, you can save yourself time, money, and potential health concerns. In addition, regular maintenance can prolong the lifespan of your plumbing system and avoid major repairs down the road. So, remember to open your kitchen and bathroom cupboards and check for any water damage and tighten any loose fixtures to ensure your plumbing is functioning properly and that there are no water leaks. If you notice that your toilet seems loose, take the time to tighten it also. No one likes to deal with long-term water damage, so taking the time now to double check, it will save you in the long run.